So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some hair transformations. Next up, we have this money piece highlight hair color transformation. Wow, this is a beautiful color. It's like a soft blue, silver, and blue mixture with the purple. So then we see someone with a blonde pixie cut. Looks like she is going to be adding more of an undercut to her style. This one features a nice choppy layered mixture at the top, shaven portions on the side and on the back. This almost to me looks like a mohawk style that the stylist created. Next up, we see another kind of pixie undercut. This one features a beautiful coloring of blue at the top portion of the hair, line design and detail on the side, and then we see a very modern fade cut, and we move into this bob. So she is also going to be getting a hair color makeover for this next transformation. So she ended up dyeing that green portion of her hair black, playing into the contrasting color trend. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we see someone going from long hair to a beautiful bob. So the stylist also switched up the hair color to this gorgeous turquoise shade. Very unique and vibrant hair color. So if you guys are feeling inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we see another hair color transformation. Wow, a beautiful mix of brown and black. Gorgeous highlights throughout. She also has the money piece highlights trend in the front. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.